Sometimes you will need to add attribute to the existing electrical block. So to do that, you can go to the Edit Components panel and then in the Modify drop-down, choose Add Attribute. We will back to the command line and here you can see Select Object command. So I'm going to choose the object and then Add Attribute dialog box will be shown. Here you can specify the name and the value and the other features of your new attribute. I'm going to type a name and specify a value for it. And then by choosing the OK button, I will be prompted to specify a location to place the new attribute. I click on the point that I want and then it is placed here. Now to show you the detail of this new added attribute, I'm going to select the attributes list Edit. And here you can see a list of names and the values which belong to each attribute. And the new attribute and its value here can be seen.